Good morning, class 7. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, ISWA. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about we will revise chapter 6, that is physical and chemical change. In this video lecture, we will revise about chapter 6, physical and chemical change. You have already learned this chapter. So first of all, what is physical change and what is chemical change? In our daily life, we observe a lot of changes every day. Every day our body is growing, or old people's body is deteriorating. They will get weak day by day. So this human body, we are observing the changes. In our surroundings, we will observe the change in the plants. In our kitchen, we observe several type of cooking and changes are there. In fridge, changes occur, water from water to ice. This type of changes will occur. So several type of changes we observe in our daily life in every area. Every day in our life, in every area, changes will occur. And today we are going to study about these changes. So among these changes, some very common thing is cooking, burning, tearing of paper, stretching of rubber, formation of curd, heating of milk, souring of milk also. So these are the some common changes in our life. Among these changes, there are mainly two. These changes mainly categorized into two type of changes. One is physical change, the other is chemical change. So physical change is a change which can be reversed after reversing the condition, and there is no new substance is formed. Physical change is a change which is reversible and no new substance is formed, and mainly this change occur in the physical properties of a substance. Now what is the physical properties of a substance? So shape, size, color and state of a substance. So physical properties are shape, size and state of a substance. These are the physical properties of a substance. So if any change will occur in these properties of a substance, that is considered as physical change. Like in your book, there are activity 6.1 where we cut the or tear the piece of paper into several small pieces, and then we again put it on the table. So it is a change in the shape or size. So it is a physical change. Then comes the 6.2, that is chalk. Gather the pieces of chalk from your classroom and add some water, then roll it. So it is also change in shape and size. Then comes activity 6.3, ice, melt it and again leave it. So it is also change in state, solid to liquid. Then comes the 6.4, boiling of water and collecting the vapor and converting into water drops. So this is also what? Change from gas to liquid, which is also a physical change. Then comes activity 6.5, hold a hacksaw blade on a fire, the tip of hacksaw blade on the fire, and then on the fire, and then the color will change, it becomes red hot. So this is a change in color. So these all are changes in the physical properties of a substance, and these changes are called physical change. Now comes the chemical change. So in chemical change, what will happen? In chemical change, the a new substance is formed, and it is a permanent change or it is a irreversible change. It cannot be reversed back. Once chemical change occur, it will cannot be reversed back. The best example of this change is rusting of iron. We all have observed, we all had already observed this type of change in nature, in our home also. If we leave a piece of iron in a moist place, then after some time we will observe a layer of a new substance on the iron. So this is called the rusting of iron, and the upper layer is called the rust. It is not iron, it is a different substance from iron. So this is how a chemical change is occur. Means a new substance is formed, it is irreversible or permanent change, and it will change all the chemical, the change in the chemical properties of the substance. So class, I hope you are able to understand about physical change and chemical change. In the next video lecture of revision of chapter 6, we will discuss in detail about the chemical change. That in nature we observe several type of chemical change every day, and these are happening in our life also. So we will discuss these changes tomorrow in depth about chemical change. Physical change we had finished today. This much is enough for you to understand about physical change, and I hope you are able to understand the difference between physical change and chemical change. So class, I hope you are able to understand this lecture well. If any problem, ask me class. I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.